Let's do the Tamiya guy a little bit.
Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. The BBX, a modern buggy for the times. Roll cage design, trailing arm suspension. You can't beat it on any racetrack. Let's look at her go. Look at the handling of all those wishbone suspensions up front and the trailing arm in the rear. The beautiful BBX with the roll cage, nothing looks as good. And especially that Shen RC made his only a roll cage without the body panel. In bright, brilliant blue, it looks like a beauty, as he always says. Now, if you're looking at it going with a 21-ton motor and you're thinking this car's really, really good, behold if you put a hopped-up, souped-up brushless system in this baby. It'll unleash the power like no other Tamiya buggy has done before. Let's check out the suspension. Look at the shocks. Look at that suspension. Let's do the drop test. No bouncing around here. Let's hit it, guys. Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Bring one of these BBX cars to your local raceway and you'll be grabbing the trophy and the ribbons for all the championship qualifying and racing, where you'll win the big trophy at the end. The BBX is nothing short of brilliant design, Tamiya technology, and everything in between. We put every ounce of brain power into building this buggy. So pick one up at your local dealers before they're gone. Tamiya!